Let's make a very simple oven-baked turkey breast recipe today. I'm using mashed potatoes as the side dish, and I will also show you how to make a simple but delicious gravy in one go. Because let's be honest here, serving a turkey breast without some sauce simply isn't right. Now let's go! I'm using two nice boneless and skinless turkey breasts today. Each of them weighs about 1.5 pounds, which is well enough to prepare 6 large servings. Let's season the meat first. I'm using the same baking dish that I will bake the breasts in later on, to save myself some cleaning time. Salt goes first, and you can be quite generous with it. I have used 1.5 teaspoons of salt in total. And make sure you apply the salt from both sides, please. Now add some Dijon mustard. About 1 teaspoon per breast should be enough. Spread it out evenly so all parts are covered. Use your hand or some brush if you don't want to get messy. Now flip the meat and do the same with the other side. The mustard serves as a binder for the other seasonings, so make sure all parts are covered. And now the rest of our seasonings. You will need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds or cumin, 2 teaspoons of red paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Flip the breast and apply the same seasonings from the other side. By the way, the amounts of spices I have mentioned are the total amount, so don't add all of them on just one side. I'm also using a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil. It helps to form a nice even layer of spices that sticks to the meat nicely. Now use your hands again and give those turkey breasts a nice massage. Make sure every part of the breast is nicely covered. The red color of paprika will help you here. Once the meat is nicely red from all sides, you know it's properly seasoned. For the best results, I always brown the turkey breasts before baking them. Add a splash of olive oil into a pan and go in with the meat. Give it 3 or 4 minutes and flip. Wait for 3 or 4 minutes again and take the breasts off the pan. As I have mentioned at the beginning, this recipe comes with a gravy, and we need some more ingredients for it. Drop 2 tablespoons of butter into the same pan, let it melt and deglaze all the little bits that are left in it. Add 2 small or 1 large roughly chopped onion and about 5 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped again. To give the gravy a nice color, I'm adding 1 chopped carrot as well. 2 tablespoons of honey for some sweetness, and the juice from 1/2 of a lemon for some acidity. Mix it all up and saute on high for about 3 minutes. Go in with half a cup of chicken or beef stock, hit it with a touch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix properly again, bring the mixture to a boil, and we are ready for the next step. Add about half of this mixture into the baking dish and spread it out evenly. Let's not forget some fresh herbs. I'm using rosemary, but thyme would be perfect too. Place the turkey breast into the dish now and pour the rest of the vegetable mixture over it. And finish it up with some more fresh rosemary. There is never too much of it in my humble opinion. Cover the baking dish with foil and into the oven it goes. I've preheated mine to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Let it bake for 30 minutes, then take the dish out of the oven, remove the foil and flip both of the breasts. Put the foil back on and return the dish to the oven for 30 more minutes. Once this time has elapsed, it's time for one more flip. So let's take the dish out of the oven again and do it. The breasts are pretty much fully cooked by now, and we just want to brown them a little bit. So back to the oven, this time without the foil, turn the broiling mode on and give it about 15 minutes. One last step is needed and we are done, and that's the gravy. Remove the breasts from the dish and let them rest while we work on it. Now pour everything that's left in the dish into a small pot. Grab a hand blender and give it a good run. Keep blending until there are no more pieces left in the gravy and it becomes smooth. Go in with about half a stick of butter and bring the sauce to a boil. Cook and mix frequently for a few minutes so the amount reduces a little bit and our gravy is ready. When serving this dish, I like to cut the turkey breast into thin slices, just like you can see on the screen right now. I think it works the best this way. Use 3 or 4 slices per serving and definitely be generous with the gravy. It takes this dish to another level. And that's it for today. I hope you like this recipe, so give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon and enjoy your dinner!